I think GAGGA linking and learning meeting is very, very important to share the experience between the peers, GAGGA partners, to know better where the funding is coming from, about the Green Climate Fund, the mechanism of Green Climate Fund, the monitoring system, IRM, this kind of things we don't know when we working within our country too. We also came to know the country cases from the different part of the GAGGA partners. Very much inspiring the community level initiations that we visited in the Capri, the women's group, how they are working for the climate action. That is very inspiring. This is the consortium of the climate working organizations, women's group. So this is the mix of the grassroots women's group organizations, collaboration, consortium. I think this is very powerful to influence the GAGGA Fund. From my side, listen to the voices of the community. The community had the rich knowledge of the resilience, of the adaptation, of the mitigation. So based on that, if we develop the program, that will be the sustainable.